Kia ora, children. In today's maths lesson, you will be investigating the capacity of a container. Actually, 4 containers. Here are my containers. 1, 2, you can see the difference, 3, and 4. So there are my containers, and here they are lined up on the table like that. Now, I have chosen something that I can count to help me measure how much these containers can hold. That's what I'm investigating. How much can these containers hold? I'm going to do that with pasta, dried pasta. You could do this with blocks or pom-poms, anything that you can count, okay? And that are usually the same size. So anything you can count and are usually the same size. So you need 4 containers like these and something that you can put in them that you can count, like dried pasta. You will also need your worksheet. So here is my worksheet, and I am going to use dried pasta. So I'm just going to write pasta here. Pasta. Pasta. So it says here, I am using pasta to measure the capacity of the containers. Ready? Now, each of my containers is going to be numbered. So container 1, container 2, container 3, and container 4. Before I actually put any pasta in the containers, I'm going to estimate. That means guess how many pieces of pasta will fit inside each container. So I'm going to guess how many of these pasta pieces will fit in the containers. So let's have a little look. In container 1, I'm going to guess 25, and I'm going to write that there, 25. Container 2, I'm going to guess 9. Container 3, I'm going to guess 12. See how quick I'm doing this? Guessing. Doesn't have to be a long process. And container 4, I'm going to guess 16. So there are my guesses. Container 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to actually find out by pouring the pasta into each container. So I'll just move the camera a bit to show you. So let's do container 1. So I'm going to pour it in. Oh, maybe I was very wrong. Oh, now it's spilling over. So I'm just going to shake it. Anything that falls out is going in the bag. Now I've got to count it one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 59, and I've got them here on the table where I've collected them. 59. So I'm going to write that in a different color. Container 1 actually had 59. Oh, so I was very wrong in my estimate. And that's okay. That's actually quite interesting and exciting. Makes me think, oh, maybe my eyes are not seeing it correctly. Cool. Let's try container 2. I estimated 9. Let's see. I think I might be a bit wrong here too. So I'm going to pour them in, see? What do you think, children? That looks more than 9, doesn't it? Uh-oh, Miss Ball may have been wrong again. That's okay. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That one actually had 30. How do I write that? 3, 0, so 30. Look how wrong I was. But that's the fun part of this investigation. And you will complete it for all 4 containers. And at the bottom there are 2 questions with 2 special words. Least and greatest. We've learned these words very briefly before. I can't answer them because I haven't finished my graph, my investigation. So I'll read it to you though. The container that had the least capacity was container, out of these 2, which one had the least, the smallest number? Container 1 or 2? It's container 2. So I would write container 2. The container that had the greatest capacity was container, which one had the biggest number? So you would do it with all 4. Container 1. Now what I would love to see is a photo of you doing the investigation with your worksheet next to you. Or at the end where you have your worksheet and your materials and containers around you. That's what I would love to see. Okay, so this is an investigation. First you have to choose 4 containers and something to measure the capacity of those containers. Then you need your worksheet. And then you have to investigate by guessing first. So estimate, guesstimate sometimes I say. How many do you think it will hold for each container? And then test the actual capacity using the materials in the container. I hope you have fun with this learning. I can't wait to see your photographs.